Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a video about the Pocophone F1, and last week I created a video about Fortnite gaming on the Pocophone and PUBG, and I got a hell of a lot of stick for how rubbish I am at gaming, and I hold my hands up and admit that I am absolutely crap at gaming, but the purpose of that video was purely to show you how the F1 performed with games and high intense games. So I'm not a pro gamer. Now another thing that appeared on my comments and also on the review video of the Pocophone F1 is lots of people asking about the touch delay. Do you get any delay on touch on the F1? Quite a few of those, and I'm here to say that you do not get any delay in touch. I don't know where this has originated from or anything like that. So I've got the F1 here now. I mean, you saw me using it in my review video if you watched it all the way through. If anything, sometimes it's probably oversensitive at times. But I'm just going to open up a few applications here. So I'm going to press once on Instagram. Open up YouTube, one touch, eBay, what else? VR Maker, device info, Chrome, and Tutu. You got little feature tests here as well. Multi-touch test. I don't know how many touches. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 9, 10. It's got 10 touches on there. Let me open up Word. Let's create a new blank document. And hello. Oh, this is not representing real life use of a keyboard. It's just gobbledygook. But it's super responsive. Hello there. I am geeky stuff. No problem with delay touch. Let's open up this. So I'm back on Asphalt Extreme just to show you. Just look how responsive it is. I'm not having to I'm getting response every time. There's no touch delay on the F1 that I've experienced at all. Probably one of the best smartphones that I've used. Yep, nothing wrong with that. Some people also asked about in the previous video where what this was. This is the F2 Fire Stick gaming grip. I'll include a link in the description below if you want to take a look at that. I think it's only about £10 on Gearbest, so it's quite cheap. Makes gaming a little bit easier and more comfortable, especially for the pro gamers out there. So this is PUBG, and no touch delay on this either. I'll just spend a couple of moments on this. If there's going to be any sort of lag on this, I expect it mainly to be to do with poor network connection or anything like that. Not the fact that you think the Pocophone F1 cannot handle the game. It's on epic settings as well, or maximum settings. See, there's a tiny little glitch there, and I'm putting that down to network. Let's keep it running like that. Any more glitching? Tiny bit there. I'm on Wi-Fi. I haven't got mobile data on here at the moment. As some of you may know, my home broadband is rubbish. Plus some upstairs as well. But in terms of general game speed performance via the chipset and the GPU, it's absolutely fine. Okay. Let's open up Word again. Geeky stuff is rubbish at gaming. Yes, we know. But 100% seal of approval. There's no touch delay on the Pocophone F1. That's all I wanted to cover, and hopefully you guys can see that there isn't no performance or touchscreen issues on the F1. That's it. Any comments, guys, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.